Find or read reviews that people are talking about. DANKARI Cordless Pool Robot Vacuum, Robotic Pool Rechargeable Cleaner. Acquire early reviews on products that have few or no reviews, helping shoppers make smarter buying decisions. Why you choose. Next, we are introduce some reasons why you should choose that. Has technology improved our lives? Yes, thank you for meeting our DANKARI Robotic Pool Cleaner. Our pool vacuums help you save time and effort keeping your clean pool free, save money and make your life much easier. You can totally narrow down your focus on cleaning the pool and spend more time enjoying the pool party. Smart and efficient cleaning, with strong suction power of DANKARI's Robot Pool Cleaner, which can clean up debris, sand, dead bugs, small leaves, stones, small twigs etc. from the pool bottom. Simply turn the switch, place the pool robot into the pool within 20 seconds, and trust this little robot to be your best friend to keep your pool open to you all year round. Keeping your pool sparkling clean, automatic pool cleaners ideal for above ground or in-ground swimming pools of flat bottom, because it hasn't learned the skills of climbing walls and steps. Max slope less 10 degrees to a depth of 6.56 to 40 feet. Suitable for all linings, PVC, tiles, vinyl or gunite and more. Clean Smart, Live Smart. Upgrade Cordless Pool Robot Vacuum. 5000 mAh large battery capacity, only take less 4.0 hours to fully charge for 100 minutes of auto cleaning pool time. The robotic pool cleaner can clean up 920 square feet pool bottom on a full charge. Supported pool all shapes, round, rectangular, or oval. New high-tech robotic pool cleaner now. DANKARI Cordless Pool Vacuum adopts new Hall sensing technology to automatically reverse its cleaning direction while the pool cleaner touches the pool wall or obstacles. Meanwhile, you can find him according to the floating object and retrieve the vacuum cleaner with the rope. You don't have to get in the water or get your clothes wet during the whole process. If you want to get full highlight features and or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends, and important. Don't forget to press subscribe, press the bell to get instant notifications of all future uploads.